Welcome to this step-by-step guide on leveraging AI to craft compelling property listing descriptions. Whether you're a seasoned real estate professional or just starting out, this video will navigate you through generating captivating listings with the power of artificial intelligence. First up, gather all the unique selling points about your property. This is the foundation of your listing description. Let's start with compiling a comprehensive list of the property's distinctive features. Here are some examples. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, corner lot, custom-built home on a half-acre lot, fully remodeled, located in a gated community. The more descriptions you have, the better the results. Here's a pro tip. Save time by leveraging an existing property description. This allows you to quickly pinpoint all essential selling points without missing a beat. You can find older property descriptions online or in your local MLS. Use this prompt to extract the points you need. Prompt. Proceed to identify and extract all the compelling selling points and keywords from this property listing description. Then copy and paste the old listing description to the end of the prompt. After getting the initial output, it's time to refine it. Review the selling points and keywords generated by AI, removing any that are relevant or redundant, ensuring your list highlights only the most impactful features. With your refined list, it's now time to generate a new property listing description. Step 2. Use the selling details to generate a new property description. We will now take our refined selling points and ask AI to generate our new listing descriptions. Here's a simple prompt to get you started. Create 3 new property listing descriptions, each under 2,000 words and devoid of titles or headers. Use the tone of an experienced real estate professional. Use these selling points and keywords to build the description. Paste all selling points and keywords to the end of the prompt and then run it. Now you should have an almost perfect listing description ready to edit. Step 3. Edit and finalize your new property listing description. Reviewing and customizing your AI-generated content is critical. Assess the description for any needed tweaks. Remember, you can guide the AI to adjust the tone, making sure it aligns perfectly with your brand's voice. Now you have a professional property description to add to your listing. Here's a bonus tip. Transform your listing description into dynamic video scripts or engaging social media posts. This not only amplifies your property's visibility but also attracts more potential buyers. Simply take the property listing description and craft a captivating social media post or a concise video script. Here's an example of a social media prompt. Prompt. Take this property listing description and write a 300-word post for Instagram. Then review the results and copy them into your social media profiles. Here's an example of a video script prompt. Prompt. Take this property listing description and write a 2-minute-long video script for YouTube. You can use your script as an outline to make a video about your listing. You can find all the prompts used in this video on our blog post in the description below. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to use AI for your property listings. Embrace the future of real estate marketing and start creating standout listings today. Like and subscribe if this content is helpful. Thank you for watching.